You are being overcharged by 70%. Stop paying 2000 rupees for Google VO3. Seriously, stop it right now. We all know Google VO3 is the new standard for cinematic AI video. It's beautiful, it's insane, but it's gated behind a corporate paywall that thinks you have a production studio budget. You're hitting limits, you're paying for credits, and you're watching your wallet vanish. At Rocketoolz, we flipped the script. We've unlocked the exact same power, the same engine, the same raw cinematic potential for just 600 rupees a month. That's not a typo. That's a total game changer for creators who actually want to produce, not just pay.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited access to Google VO3. This is a completely secure system where you get paid access while your privacy is fully protected. How does it work? Let's take a look step by step. First, we need to visit the Rocketoolz website. This is the platform where you can get your unlimited Google VO3 access. Currently, they have some amazing offers running. Runway ML is available here for free unlimited use, along with various image generators and clip-free access through Runway AI. However, our main focus today is Google VO3. Once you're on the site, you'll need to create an account. If you're a new user, just click on Register and fill in your details. I already have an account, so I'll log in directly. After registering, your dashboard will be created automatically. To use Google VO3, you'll need to select a plan from the membership section, where you'll find the Starter, Ultimate, and Power packs. These packs include Google VO3, along with over 100 premium AI tools. If you're looking specifically for VO3, you can choose between two main options. The premium plan for 1500 rupees, which includes Gemini Ultra models and multiple side accounts, or the Lite plan for just 599 rupees. If you're on a budget, the Lite plan is an incredible deal. You won't find VO3 cheaper anywhere else in the market. Both plans offer the same high quality. The only difference is the number of accounts provided. Getting all of this for just 599 rupees is truly a steal. When it comes to payment, clicking Get Started will take you to the checkout page. If you're in India, simply select India and pay via UPI or card. For international customers, you can select the United States or the UK to see the pricing in dollars and pay easily through PayPal. Since I already have a subscription, let's head over to the dashboard. Click on the Access toolbar page, scroll down, and open Google VO3. I'm using the Ultimate Ultra Pack, so I have access to all the tools. Once you open VO3, you'll see several buttons. Each button represents a different account, ensuring that if one is busy, you can always use another without any delays. Now, let's talk about the most important feature, the project lock system. As soon as you start a new project, the system will ask you to set a project pin. For example, if I set it to 12,345, my project is now locked. This ensures that no one else can view your work without that specific pin. If someone tries to open your locked project, they'll get an incorrect pin message, meaning your data is completely safe. From here, you can generate unlimited videos. Just provide a scene description or an image, and your video will start generating. Keep in mind that even official paid Google plans currently include a watermark, so you will see one here as well, but the video quality remains top-notch. You can upscale and download videos in 108p and save images in 4K. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Rocketoolz and unlock your unlimited AI creativity. I've included a link in the description where you can get an extra discount on your purchase. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next one.
Full HD, ultra smooth motion, the most advanced video generation on the planet. And the best part? Your projects are yours, secured by our proprietary project lock system. High level production, enterprise grade access, budget friendly pricing. Why pay thousands when you can produce more for less? The world of AI video is changing fast. Don't get left behind just because you're paying retail. Click the link in my bio, grab your Rocketoolz access, and start building the future today. Let's go.